Hi there, my name is Pejman and I'm here today to talk about عرفان حلقه, or as in English we say, interuniversalism. In interuniversalism, there are no guidelines such as religion, age, race or gender, yet the unity of all humans as one. 10 months ago, I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia, a disease with no cure. Soon after, my body developed acid reflux and then major anxiety. But with starting the practices of interuniversalism, my fibromyalgia died out, my stomach calmed, and my anxiety disappeared. But most importantly, I regained peace. So here, that is why I'm testifying for it. Now, a very common practice we use these days, especially towards the COVID-19, is called the special connection, which is available and open to all public. In special connection, all you need to do is announce it either in your head and mind or verbally, doesn't matter. Sit in any position you're comfortable, that doesn't matter either, and become a witness of your own existence. That is all you need to do. Please note, when using special connection, this does not mean for you to stop taking medication or going to the doctor. This is just something to do on the side. Special connection is used for you to be linked to the ultimate conscious to let it do its work and heal what is needed to be healed. Much love. I hope this works for you, because I'm sure it will.